Come on, Mercy. It's beautiful out here. I wish my baby was here. She'd be freezing right now. Melody, where's your sled?
Mercy, you should on your belly. I made a cup holder for my sled. Ready? 1 second. Let me get on my belly. Yeah, I'm ready. You have to wait till I get on my belly. Should I just go? Just go.
Okay, go.
Hey,
Put it so we can put it on YouTube.
I'll go. No.
She's funny. She has a lot of energy.
You almost end up in Vegas. You should
We're
try
in
like that,
Vegas.
Mercy. Mercy, you should try like that. Yeah.